YouTube, what's popping? Today we making hand sanitizer because the stores are wiped out. The coronavirus is spreading rapidly. People are sick, and this is a pandemic. This is crazy. So we're gonna get into how we make this hand sanitizer, and I'm gonna post what you will need in this next slide. Don't mind this right here. This is my camera stand to hold this up so we could get an overview. You're gonna need a bowl, and you're gonna need 1/3 cup measuring cup. You're gonna need is some isopropyl rubber alcohol, 70%. Aloe vera gel. Today we're making some green. I have some clear, but we're gonna make the green. Make sure you got your own spoon to whip it up in a bowl. We're gonna use this essential oils, and I know how much you all love essential oils. And if you don't love essential oils yet, you will after you make this hand sanitizer. And you're gonna need these. Now these are like little paint bottles. I got these from Hobby Lobby. These were $2.99. Yeah, these were $2. These were $2. So first, you're gonna take this aloe vera gel and you're gonna dump this in here. We're gonna fill this to the T. Do you hear me? The T is the top, so let's go. Boom. Fill to the T. And we're gonna drop this in here like so. Now that was 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. Now moving on to the rubber and alcohol. Now you don't necessarily have to rinse this out because we're gonna keep constantly using this and it's all the same product. So yeah. I fill this about halfway fill. I'm gonna drop that right in there. Mix this on up. If you want your hand sanitizer thick, you pretty much done. I don't. So for the people that want their hand sanitizer a little more liquefied, we're gonna add some more. Oh, let's clean up our space. Add some more rubber alcohol in there, and we're gonna mix this right on up. So a lot of people like their hand sanitizer a little liquid because I do. So add some more alcohol to this. Now, I'm sorry because I don't necessarily measure the alcohol that I'm using. I can only tell you I'll get it to where I want it to be. So it really depends on you and how you want your hand sanitizer. So I know that I want this a little more liquidy than thick. I add some more. We might be at a full 1/3 cup of rubber alcohol to get it to that liquid consistency that we want. Add some more, so it's about like this will be the 4th cup. Let's add that in there. This is done. If you want it thicker, you add more aloe vera gel. This is great for me. I'm liking this. So now, since this is done, we got to add the lemon into here. So now, for the people that use essential oil already, you know how strong essential oils are. So we don't need 6, 8, 10 drops. We're going to use 2 for today. 1, 2, boom. Straight like that. Stir this up some more. Bring your hand sanitizer over the sink because we don't want to spill anything. This is pretty fun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop this right in your bottle, and you are done, my friend. Boom! Look at that. You have your special hand sanitizer. As far as essential oils, you can create whatever scent or smell that you want, but we have hand sanitizer made by yours truly, Jamal. So thank you everybody for watching. Go like, subscribe, comment, share. Y'all have a nice day. Y'all keep y'all hands clean. Wear your mask if you have any. Wear your mask. Wear your gloves. Constantly wash your hands. Stay clean. Do what you got to do for you. Y'all have a nice day. Thank you.